In the previous lesson, we installed command code and ran our first prompt, and you saw something interesting. Command code started learning from you. Now in this lesson, we're going to break that down because this is one of the core idea behind command code, and that is taste. Command code is powered by the taste1 model, and instead of asking you to write rule files, it simply observes how you write code. It learns from three things: what you accept, what you reject, and what you edit. So here's a quick example. Let's say you prefer TypeScript over JavaScript, PNP over NPM, and certain naming conventions. You never explicitly tell this to the AI, but command code learns it automatically. So your workflow becomes: you prompt the AI, command code generates, you accept or edit, command code learns, and the next output improves. Most AI tools generate the same quality code every time. On the other hand, command code improves every time you use it. You might be thinking, how is this different from rules file or skills? Now, every coding agent tells you the same thing. Just write a rules file. Cursor has .cursor rules, Claude has Claude.md, Copilot has agents.md. And a few months later, your code has changed, your patterns evolved, but your rules are still outdated. And they don't update themselves, and in teams they start conflicting. Skills, on the other hand, are open format for extending AI capabilities with specialized knowledge and workflows. They tell the AI what to do but not how you would do it. So two developers using the same skill will still write completely different code. And that difference is taste. Taste is your micro decisions, how you name things, how you structure code, which patterns you prefer. You don't write this down, you just do it. And instead of asking you to maintain rule files, command code learns from your behavior. Now inside your project, if you invoke command code sessions and use it to generate the application or write code, then your taste is stored in .command code folder. There's a separate folder called taste, and then there's this taste.md file with things like your preferred libraries, code structure patterns, CLI conventions, and each one has a confidence score. The higher the score is, that means you've done it consistently, and on the other hand, a lower score means that command code is still learning that behavior. Now, taste isn't just personal, it's portable. Let's say you've been coding for a while and command code has learned your patterns. You can share that with your team with this npx taste push all command. So let's see that in action. I'm going to run this command inside the task management app that we created in the previous lesson, and you'll see this indicator that pushing taste packages. Once that's done, you'll see that the taste package has been pushed to your studio account, and if you head over to that, you can see that our taste package has been uploaded to the studio profile. At the moment it is private, but if you go to settings and inside that you can change it to public as well, that will make your taste package accessible to all the command code users. Now imagine you're starting a project and you want to follow a senior engineer style. For example, I want to pull this taste package so that your agent will start generating code using those CLI conventions, those patterns and structure. So I can pull that taste as well. For that, I'm simply going to copy this command npx taste pull, and inside my terminal I'm going to paste it. You'll see that inside .command code taste folder, there's a separate folder for CLI which has a taste.md file in it with that person's style preferences listed down. Now here's an important detail. Pulled taste doesn't override your taste. It biases your agent, so your own behavior still shapes the final output. So in a team workflow, instead of saying read the style guide or follow contributing.md files, you just say pull the taste, and the AI automatically follows the team conventions. To learn more about how taste works, you can always check out the official command code documentation. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the best practices to build with command code, so you're not just relying on taste but actually building clean, structured and reliable apps. So let's go.